Hi, I'm Trevor Hyde, farm manager and educator of seeds in Durham, North Carolina. We're here today with Urban Community AgriNomics at the Catawba Trail Farm, and I'll be going over the steps that our team took to create and plant their pollinator garden. First, we began by clearing out the area of land in which the pollinators were to be planted. From there, we began brainstorming and constructing the landscape design, hoping to maximize the use of space through playful bed design and plenty of pathways. We also wanted to be sure to include some larger areas for benches or chairs so that folks could sit and enjoy the space. After collaborating on and finalizing the layout, the team started preparing the space. Cardboard boxes were placed as a bottom layer and arranged to form our design. Cardboard suppresses weeds while the space gets started and will eventually break down into the soil. We then began the pollinator placement process, in which we set the pollinator plants in their designated spots. This allowed us to visualize what the space would look like when it was finished and make adjustments. We want to make sure to use the knowledge of how large the plants will get and how they grow to ensure they are growing in the right spots. After the cardboard was laid out, and we had a rough plan of where the plants would be, the team shoveled soil into wheelbarrows and delivered it to the garden area. We took the soil and evenly spread it out over the cardboard boxes. It is important when creating a new bed space that the soil for the bed is deep enough that the plants will still have soil beneath them, as they won't be able to grow through the cardboard. For our next step, we all began removing the pollinators from their plastic bins and planting them in the soil. When transplanting, it is important that the potting soil around the plant be completely covered by the soil in the new location, and that the plants are firmly planted so that they will stand up straight. In the final step, our team placed mulch in the remaining bare areas to create pathways. Mulch helps to suppress weeds, making it vital in pathways, and if used in the beds will also reduce the amount of water that evaporates from your soil, releasing it slowly over a longer period to your plants. Here we chose not to mulch the beds so that it would be easier to distinguish them from the pathways. Pollinators play such an important role in our environment and ecosystem. They help flowers produce, which feeds insects, birds, and animals, prevents soil erosion, and improves biodiversity. Urban Community AgriNomics at the Catawba Trail Farm will soon benefit from increased food sources for their pollinators, which will help them thrive in all seasons so they will be most impactful during the growing season.